Muharramul Haram, a month of respect. The month of Muharram is one of the 4 months that have been ordained as sacred months by Allah the Almighty. These months, Zulqa'dah, Zulhajj, Muharram, and Rajab have special fazilat over the other months. As Allah states in Surah At-Tawbah, surely the number of months according to Allah is 12, as written in the book of Allah on the day He created the heavens and the earth, of which there are 4 sacred months. Muharram and the other sacred months are known as Ashharul Hurum, sacred months, because it is obligatory to respect them. Acts of worship carried out in these months earn more reward, and committing sins during them is considered more severe compared to other months. Particularly, the month of Muharram is known as Shahrullah, the month of Allah, further highlighting its greater fazilat and respect. Therefore, every Muslim should strive to engage in more acts of worship during the month of Muharram and make every effort to refrain from sins, injustices, and conflicts.